Hey guys, what's up? I'm just coming out onto the road. Today it rained a bit. It drizzled. Someone coming jogging towards this side. And lo, my wife. Good Jose. Okay. Seems he's not in the mood to talk to me. Saying to I flash out my mobile. So, baby, oh, these flowers, see, it got some little bit of rain today, maybe 1 or 2 mm of rains we had today, and my wife busy collecting the rainwater over here, just to feed it to her flowers. See, he's pouring the water. Yeah, into the flowers because of the dry condition. All these flowers they were not growing very properly. Here again, she has gone collecting the water. This is how she's harvesting the water from terrace. She will collect these waters and put into the flower pots over there, and just to get some sunshades, actually I put up this cloth just to protect us while sitting on the terrace. And just to show a little bit, washing machine is running over here. Some clothes are being washed, multitasking. This much of rainwater we were able to harvest today, and there my wife is collecting all these bottles of rain that has collected on our terrace. So while she do the hard work, just making a documentary of her works that she's undertaking, and just to update you of our today's adventure. Today actually we were at the Kohima city. We went for some shopping because one of my kids, who is already in a hostel, we admitted just quite recently. We're starting class 11, and there my wife, she is watering the flowers in the flower pots. This is how she is feeding her flowers. But to get back to the topic that I was just discussing with you guys, as I was saying, today we were in town. We went to Rosa Point, got some textbooks for children. We're starting in class 11, and then what we did was we bought a track pant also, because my son seems he needed a track pant while in the hostel. And then bought some shampoos and some cherry blossom, that is a liquid shoe polish, which is in our custody. And in the meanwhile, while just sharing my today's adventures with you, we actually went to the Vishal Mart also, and we did a little bit of purchasing. And we just came back home. Now we're preparing some stuff. My wife is still busy on the terrace. See, the washing machine is still running. That's the water that we collected already. Now I'll just take it to my kitchen and show you the preparation that is underway. It's a bit dark here. The wife is still busy collecting the water over there. Now I've come into the kitchen. Let me put on the light, the switch. I think, yeah, that's the switch. And We are preparing something special. See, I need a spoon. Where is the spoon? We need a spoon. We will change the pot because this is a bit small. So now let me just try to show you how to, you see. It's quite full, still quite full, quite very full. And this is what we are preparing for tonight. There's a big bone also. I wanted to show you the big bone. Where is the big bone? I cannot see. I have to locate it. Oh yeah, it's here. It's here. It's here. I got it. I'll show you. There are some bone marrow in it. We're cooking that. It's my left hand. See, there are lots of marrows in this bone inside. My wife is very fond of this bone marrows, so just preparing. It's quite big. I'll just take it out once more so that you'll have a better look. See, inside it's stuffed with bone marrow. Yeah, because of the smoke, I think the impairment of the no, there's visual impairment. It's not that dark, but I was inside. Yeah, cooking is going on. My pussy is there eagerly waiting for. Yeah, I got two woofers actually. This is Monster and that is Piano. See, got two. No, that woofers. Well, I'm still busy on the terrace. My wife actually, she does a lot of household works. Okay, she is just a housewife only, as you all might be aware. She is not having a job. She doesn't work. She doesn't go to office, but she works at home. She is a housewife. Now I've come out onto the road again, but just to show you my everyday life. This is what life is all about. This is how we operate. This is the terrace. This is how we go up. And the wife is still busy over there. She's still working hard here. Oh, she's still collecting water, even from the chair, that plastic chair that the water has collected. Now she's going to pour it into one of her flower pots. See, yeah, that's how she has poured it inside. Since it rained, the plants, that means the flowers, they got a wee bit of water, because for their nourishment, the plants, they need the water. Otherwise, if it's so dry, then they may not outlive the season. Of course, we are well inside March and almost spring. Very soon, I'm sure she has collected almost all the water, bottle of water on the terrace. Yeah, there is a, see, here I put one basin also for collection. Yeah, this is floated actually. Some water she collected, those water she'll be feeding. And this is a kind of a, it's not a cabbage, I think it's a cauliflower, exotic variety, probably, maybe, most probably. That's my, and this how go second she says oh, Jeremiah, yes. I'm very fond of this Jeremiah again, because once it blooms, no, it looks quite pretty. And these are the so-called Bethlehem flowers. Yeah, that's how we are working today. My wife's still busy collecting water to put it into her flower pots. And vehicles coming up from Walker side or Mohawk, I reckon. Maybe Japosa, this side, northern side. Okay. Now, since the vlog has become a bit lengthy, I think I'll end the vlog here with the hope of meeting you guys soon, very soon. We'll meet again. No. And until the very next time, take very good care of yourself. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and do regular exercise. And of course, you take a balanced diet, all those things which I tell in my vlogs. Okay, bye for now. No.